Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some calculus, particularly differentiating y with respect to x. And with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So they've said to us, determine dy of dx for the following. Y is equal to, so we're going to do 1 in this video, and we'll do 2 in the next video. So what we're going to do here is, let's rewrite what they've given us. So it's going to be the cube root of x squared plus 3x squared minus 4x. So we always know we're going to use our differentiation laws here, and they throw in these cube roots specifically so it's difficult for us to use those. So I want you to rewrite this in a way that's easier to use. So it's going to be 2 over 3 plus 3x squared minus 4x. Now we can apply our rules. So we're going to say, right, dy of dx is going to be equal to, let's use our exponent laws now. So that's going to be 2 over 3, because we multiply the 1 over here by the exponent, 2 over 3x, and then we're going to take 2 over 3 and we're going to subtract 1 from it, and that's going to give us minus 1 over 3. Right, let's move on to the second term. 2 times 3 gives us 6, minus 1 from the 2 gives us 1, and then we're going to drop that x on the last one, and that's going to give us minus 4. And that gives us the answer for this particular question. I don't like leaving these negative exponents. So what I'm going to suggest we do is we're going to drop the x below. So that's going to give us the cube root of x plus 6x minus 4. And that looks a whole lot neater and easier to work with than the negative 1 over 3. A very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.